First of all, select the default objects and delete them. Now make sure you are in the object mode. Press and hold Shift key, then press A. Add menu will open up. Select Mesh, then click on Circle from the submenu. A circle will be added with default radius of 1 meter and 32 vertices in X and Y plane. Now make sure the Transform menu is open, otherwise, press N to open it. You can also close it by pressing N again. The Transform menu is useful in viewing and changing dimensions, scale, rotations, and location of the object. You can adjust these values by manually changing them. To change the size of the circle, click on the Add Circle menu located in the bottom left corner. You can adjust the number of vertices by clicking and holding the left mouse button on the vertices box. Now move the mouse to the left to reduce the number of vertices, and to the right to increase it. Alternatively, you can click on it to manually enter the number. You can also change the size of the circle in a similar way by adjusting the radius. Now if you want to fill the circle, click on the Fill Type box. It will give you options like Nothing, N-Gon, and Triangle Fan. Select Triangle Fan. To see the mesh, open the Viewport Overlays menu at the top. And make sure Wireframe box is on. You will see the wire mesh of the solid circle sectors. To turn it off, deselect the box. Now to solidify this filled circle into a solid disk. Go into Edit mode by pressing the Tab key. Mode Pie menu will open up. Select Edit mode. Notice it will show all sides and vertices. Make sure all surfaces of the circle are selected. Now move the mouse upwards until you reach the desired width of the disk. Click the left mouse button, the Extrude region and Move menu will appear. You can now change Z value manually to your desired width. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.